question 1 already, and it gave us the answer, which was, let's see, 116. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and move on to question number 2. So number 2 is asking us to store words in the string bag in an array. Then show the first and last elements of the array in the span block with ID ans2. Okay, so what I like to do personally is I like to create a new copy. So now Q2 is going to be equal to copy of bag, which is, this right here. We manipulated this in the first section, and then in question number 1 we use copy of bag to create another copy which can be used for this question specifically. And now I want to do that again, and I want to use copy of bag for question number 2 specifically. So Q2 will be used in question number 2. So that's it. Q2 equals copy of bag, and I'm going to do Q2 equals Q2 dot split, and there you go. Now every word has a space in between them, so I am going to split everything by spaces. Therefore it's going to be giving me word by word, and I want to now do this. Let me see. I want to put elements, you know what, let me put first element Q2 is equal to Q2, and the element is going to be 0 because an array starts with 0. So 0 in this case is going to be the first word. Again, an array starts with 0. And now I'm going to do last element Q2 is going to be equal to Q2 length, oh wait, my apologies, Q2 dot length minus 1, because it starts by 0. So if I have 3 elements, it's going to be, say, 4. So yeah, I do minus 1, and now I close with a colon right there, and I do Q2 answer is equivalent to first element of Q2, of Q2 plus a space in between that, plus a space in between that, plus last element of Q2. And now I want this to be answer for 2.inner HTML is equal to Q2 answer. Sorry about that. It's pretty late. I'm pretty tired. That's why. But let's see what we get. Let's see if we get any output at all. And it says it only. Is that correct? It only. So if we had split by no space, we would have gotten this, the period. But since we did get rid of all the periods, commas, hyphens, we're good. So we got the right answer, it and only. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, or feel free to ask me any questions. Feel free to help each other out. If anybody has any questions, feel free to say what you think, give a more efficient solution, give a different solution. Let me know your standpoint. Again, the reason why I'm making this course, my apologies, the reason I'm making this video is not to give you the answer. And I hope Parks keeps on changing the homeworks. That way, not a lot of people can just come in here and watch these videos and just copy the answer, because I am not intending to do that. I want you guys to learn, and I want everybody to be able to master this language a little bit, to get more familiar with JavaScript. That way they can feel more comfortable going into TP2. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.